So I'm going to open this door. I'm a locksmith with pop-a-lock. That deadbolt is not locked because I slid that airbag there, and it wouldn't slide there if it was locked. So that is not locked. Only that is locked. So here's what we do. This is a ginormous airbag used for 18-wheelers. It's the super deluxe model. Hopefully the door pops open. This is the double airbag method that I invented. Stay there, ma'am. It's all right. No, just stay there. You broke your foot just now? It's healing? Okay. All right, we got it. You can come over. I opened it. Can you make it this way? So it opened, but that came off. I'm going to put it back. Darren Landry over and out.